This is an authentic Amazon experience. It is. It's only for you, nature and wildlife. We are here deeper the Pacaya Samira National Reserve, doing an expedition of 7 days. We're gonna get to the farthest point, which is Dorado Lake. Heading to the Dorado Lake. Wow. Wow. Oh wow, we have different kind. We have wood stock over there. You see over there wood stock.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. We have different kind of herons. I mean birds. We have egret and herons. And jabiru. It's already jabiru.
Yeah, jaguar.
Wow. This is our typical boat, as you can see, doing an expedition. All our provisions. Camera. A beer, of course, a beer.